Hey everybody, it's Country Mouse, and I'm here to bring this little box. It says Be Ever Blooming, but that's not what it is. This one is, let me move some stuff around. It is called Fair Trade Friday. And what Fair Trade Friday is, since little pamphlet things, Fair Trade Friday has different things like Fair Trade Club. It's a variety of 3 to 4 stylish fair trade items for $32.99. It says 3 to 4 up here, but what I have written down is 2 to 4, so we'll go 2 to 4. And there's an earring of the month club. And it's $12.99. And a bracelet of the month club, it's $14.99. So they're all handmade stuff. And this one's the March one. And this kind of helps out overseas and stuff like that. Trying to look on here real quick. You can also go to shop.mercyhouseglobal.org. And let's see. It says, we are thrilled about this gorgeous, we ain't looking at that. Not yet. It says, have hope. There are many looking for jobs, but have you remembered us? Oh God, I wrote her words down as soon as her prayer was over. They cut deep into my heart, and I didn't want to forget them. Have Hope began as a community outreach of Mercy House Global to 20 women in a slum in Kenya, and they have been meeting together for Bible study since 2010. With a need to improve their lives, they began making jewelry as a way to earn a sustainable income to provide for themselves and their family. It says, Joy partners with entrepreneurs in the developing world to build strong businesses and healthy, thriving communities. They support development programs that move communities toward long-term sustainable. The goal is not to give a temporary handout, but to move communities toward real transformation and local businesses toward long-term stability. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. But that's what that side of the pamphlet looks like. Now, the other side gives information about what's in the box. And I apparently got 2 things in the box. And the first thing we have is these tassel earrings. And it says, in July of 2017, our team had the privilege of visiting the hard-working women of Have Hope in Kenya and taught them how to create these elegant gray long tassel earrings. The women were so hungry to learn these new skills that it was beautiful and humbling to work alongside them. We hope you enjoy these unique earrings. They are a true labor of love that by their creation are changing the world. These statement earrings perfectly paired with our Mercy House Global Spring 2018 jewelry collection. And it says, I know I just seen something about it. Oh, if you'd buy them without getting a subscription, it would be $24 for these. And I just thought that was neat. You know, I would like to help out anybody I possibly can, no matter where they're at. Let's take one of these off here. Ooh, it's got stuff on it. It's got one of those little backings on it. It has a hook. Let's spread these apart. It's a nice thick thread. Wonder if they have any more information on these. I don't see it. Alright. Let's check them out. Ugh, my hair's getting in the way. I mean, they kind of need stretched out a little bit to get some of that line out of there, but got a nice shine to them. I can see them down here in the monitor. Well, we'll wear the other one too, because I don't want it getting lonely. Trying to come through them a little bit, break them up a little bit. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to wear them or not. That's something different, right? Okay. We see you. Alright, the next product was wrapped in this, tied in this. We're going to set that box down here. And the next thing is, we're thrilled about this gorgeous custom bag. Looks like this. That. Decent handles. This would be good for when I go to the library. Nice library bag. Alright, it says we're thrilled about this gorgeous custom bag. It was an honor to collaborate with Join to create an item we knew you would love. The fabric was hand woven and the design was block printed using wooden stamps. Okay. Which were carved by hand, and the bag was sewn together using a foot-powered sewing machine. This artisans of Joy are remarkable talent at creating high-quality, gorgeous bags using traditional craftsmanship found in the Indian culture. We hope you enjoy the cheerful spring colors, and your bag was made by empowered women of India. I didn't even pay attention. It's got little pockets on the front under this pattern. That's not bad. I mean, it's not 100% me, but I use it. If I don't use it, I might send it over to Grandma. Grandma would love it. She's always toting one of these types of bags around. Heck, I think she's still toting around the bag she had from like a few years ago. Alright, that is all I have for this box. This box was $32.99. Yep, $32.99 plus tax. Oh, that's only for residents, or Texas residents. So it's just $32.99. Ah! Alright, let me know what you think of this box, and I will see you all later. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, comment, and I will see you all later. Bye!